Hi guys! For the first time on this channel, we are going to be not doing an installation ourselves because you need a license to install the gas furnace, the hot water tank, and the AC. So we started looking. We talked to some companies, but none of them were what we were looking for. And then we found Rob through Facebook. Rob has his own company, which is the Black Fox Mechanical, and he had lots of good reviews on Facebook. He answered very quickly, and when he came to do the quote, it wasn't too expensive or too cheap, just like we were looking for. He was very easy to talk to and was very knowledgeable. So in this video, Rob is going to come and do the equipment installation. I hope you enjoy it. Rob is here and he has brought all of the equipment he needs for the installation. And now my dad and Rob are going to unload and bring the gas furnace and the hot water tank into the basement. As you saw, my dad and Rob brought the gas furnace in through the front entrance. As for the hot water tank, it is a lot heavier and they don't want to have to carry it all the way down the stairs. So we are going to take off the window and put it into the basement through the hole in the wall. So we have brought everything that Rob is going to need for the installation into the basement, and now let's get started. Rob is installing the gas furnace in our mechanical room. You can see that our mechanical room has tile flooring. My dad did that earlier so that Rob can do the installation. This smaller box that Rob is putting on top of the gas furnace is part of the air conditioning system. Now it's time for the hot water tank. We have unboxed it and now are ready to install. We chose the 50-gallon water tank with the power vent on top so that the tank will last longer. Rob is putting rubber anti-vibration pads under the hot water tank and gas furnace so that we would not hear the vibrations as loudly. here you can see we have the gas furnace and hot water tank in place, and they are both above the ground on the rubber anti-vibration pads. Next, Rob is drilling holes so that he can make the intake and exhaust for our gas furnace and the exhaust for our hot water tank. Rob has finished drilling the holes and is putting pipes through them so that he can attach them to the gas furnace and the hot water tank inside our mechanical room. Rob has attached all of the pipes and all of the connections are nice and clean, and we are very happy. Next, Rob is going to install the air conditioner outside unit. But before he can do so, we are going to make a platform for it so that it can be nice and level. We are putting rocks so that the platform doesn't shift and then leveling them out. And here comes our AC. So the air conditioner is in place, and here it is up close. And Rob has finished doing all of the wiring for the AC, so we have gotten the AC in place and attached. Next, Rob is drilling a hole through our basement wall so that he can do the connections for gas. We are lucky that Rob has a big drill because our wall is 8-inch concrete with 2 3/4-inch styrofoam on each side. Rob has finished drilling the hole through the wall, and it was really fast with his big hammer drill. Next, Rob is going to install the gas pipes. The gas pipes are made out of iron, and he has this awesome machine that is used for cutting them and making the tread so that he can attach them together. And this is a very cool machine because he doesn't have to pre-order the pipes in the store. He can just cut them on the spot to the exact measurements he needs. Here is the machine up close, and I think it is very cool to watch. Rob has installed all of the iron pipes, and this is what they look like. Also, right here, coming out of the wall, are the copper AC pipes that Rob also installed for us. And on the other side of the wall, where Rob had drilled the hole, he installed the test gauge so that when the inspector comes, he can check and make sure that the gas system works. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching to the end. We are very happy with how everything turned out and would 100% recommend. Now we are waiting for the water, the gas, and the electricity connections. So Rob will be back. And thank you to everyone who liked and subscribed. Bye!